What is up? What is up, my friends? We are Qingdao on vacation. How are you? It's a quick update video on my channel. I want to first say I'm perma-banned from Twitch. They got me. They got me, my friends. They got me. I'm perma-banned. I'm banned permanently from Twitch forever. Unfortunately, I shared a deepfake video of, not a video, a deepfake photo of Donald Trump and AOC, and the AI algorithm banned me, and they took my channel, they took everything, so I'm permanently banned. So you can follow me now on kick.com/Gyges or Gyges. That's kick.com/GYGES. I totally appreciate that. So I want to give an update on just this channel, this YouTube channel, and even, I guess, just everything in my life, you know. I'm here in beautiful Qingdao on vacation. Qingdao. Pretty insane, pretty insane spot. The Dream Island Coffee Cafe. Truly incredible. So yeah, what I'm going to be doing is, I'm still going to be filming like Megalithic stuff. That's kind of my really goal. Oh, there's another. Film her out. She just turned around. She's in costume. Yeah, I'm still totally going to film Megalithic stuff in China, right? I got a lot of plans. I wanted to go to Jinan and see the biggest, not the obelisk, the stele, you know, the large stele in Jinan. It's like an 800-ton stele there, made of flint, that I don't know if it came from Yangshan Quarry or something like that, but yeah, I'm still filming Megalith stuff. So I mean, you know, I have a small channel, right? But I have like maybe a third of the people are Megalith aficionados. People love China. Some like spin top players, right? Some dear friends, some nice speed runners, and some yo-yo trick fans as well. So not just fans, just friends, you know, like. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to do a quick walkthrough of Qingdao, and oh, we have someone in costume. I hope she doesn't mind me filming. That's sweet. Alright. So yeah, honestly, Twitch got me. And I mean, I did make an alternate channel for Twitch, and I mean, I've been streaming on it, but they warned me about range bans, and I don't want to hide anymore. And you know, the people I messaged saying, hey, you know, I got a new channel, come follow me. You know, some of you did, but some of you didn't. And I don't know why. I think it's because you would fear associating with a banned user. It's pretty low, it's pretty sewer tier behavior, if you ask me. But I'm not gonna like blame others. You know, I'm going to actually rise above it, and I don't want to hide anymore. You know what I mean? I want to be myself. I want to be myself and who I am. So that's why I'm moving to Kick, my friends. Yeah. Beautiful day in Qingdao, honestly. And people are nice. So we're not on vacation right now. So yeah. But yeah, I guess what I want to say, yeah, I'm going to be uploading a lot of like China walkthrough videos in the next few weeks. And I just want you to just like stay patient with me. I'm going to be visiting more Megalith sites. I got a bunch of China drone video. I got some China walkthrough videos in here, and yeah. But yeah, you know, it sucks about Twitch. It sucks losing that channel. But I mean, I have all the old streams, like 1.4K videos of my old streams from year 2020, 2019 on my other YouTube called youtube.com/GYGES streams. So I mean, I'll put the links in the video. But yeah, Qingdao is beautiful. It's a nice, crisp winter day. And yeah, what can I say? It sucks I lost my Twitch. So I lost all my followers, right? I can't even message any of them. So my appeal was banned. And yeah, so AI, right? We're at the point where like we're being banned by AI now, right? Which is, it's pretty messed up, honestly. If you ask me, honestly, right? So yeah. So yeah, my channel, you're gonna see a lot more just China walkthrough videos, more Megalith stuff. You know, I eventually want to. I got a bunch of great ideas coming up, and I'm going to share them with you, especially the Megalith people. Hey, doggo. How are you, doggo? How are ya? How are you, doggo? Hey, doggo. Hello, doggo. Yeah. So yeah. So we got a lot of good videos coming up. There are going to be a lot more China videos, more China Megalith videos. Honestly, just saying, be patient with me. You know, I brought my spin top. I was going to do a trick or two for the spin top for friends, but I don't know if I'm going to do that. I might just walk around and show Qingdao a little bit. So yeah, it's a beautiful sunny day. I'm going to show you guys some of the sun. Qingdao's weather's pretty insane in the winter. It like never rains here, knock on wood. Right by the ocean, pretty nice spot. But yeah, please follow me on Kick, because I'm just going to be on Kick doing weightlifting and streaming live. And yeah, I don't want to keep the video too long, because I want to give you a short update. But yeah, just, you know, you're still going to see me do GoldenEye speed runs on this channel, like my PVs. But my Kick channel, you're going to see me do GoldenEye speed running. So yeah, I mean, I did have a Twitch channel that you might see me lurking in chats, and some of my friends here, I'm put quotation mark friends, they already banned me because they don't want to associate with the banned user, because they're cowards, because they're two-timing scum. But I'm not going to get into that. I'm going to stay positive, be a positive person. So yeah, I think it was AI that reported me, honestly, because it was like I was streaming at like 4 a.m. Eastern time, right? So I was here in China, and then it just fucking disappeared. So it's fine. It's like nothing was going right, other than my friendship, which is what I'm always really sucks, and why I'm making this video, right? Because like I just care about my friends, honestly. So yeah, we're in Qingdao on vacay. I'm gonna keep this short. I might turn it off right here. What I want to say is thank you everyone for being my friends, and I will see you soon again. Should I do I mean, I have my spin top. I might try a spin top video, but if a few tricks. If not, then I will probably sign off and say thank you for following me. Kick.tv, kick.com/Gyges, Gyges, and yeah, I'll do a spin top trick just to end it. Why not? We have the top. We have the top. We have the time. We'll try it. We'll try one for my friends, my pals. We'll try it. Alright, thanks for watching. Yeah, it's the update channel. We're gonna, you can see a lot more China here first though, walkthroughs and stuff. But thank you, you rule, you're the best. Thank you so much.